In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install a NinjaTrader third-party indicator. By the end, you'll have your indicator imported as a NinjaScript add-on and ready to use after a quick restart. First, download the indicator. Make sure you have the third-party indicator saved on your computer as a compressed .zip file. Do not unzip the file. Keep it in a location you can find easily, like your Downloads folder or desktop. The installer expects a .zip package, so leaving it zipped prevents import errors and ensures NinjaTrader can recognize the file correctly. Next, open NinjaTrader. Launch the desktop platform and make sure the control center is visible. This is the main window with the menu bar at the top. If other windows cover it, bring the control center to the front so you can access the Tools menu. Now navigate to the Import option. In the control center, click Tools in the top menu bar. From the drop-down, hover over Import, then click NinjaScript Add-on. This is the official importer for indicators and other NinjaScript-based components, and it ensures the files are copied into the correct folders and compiled safely. A File Explorer window will appear. From here, select the file. Browse to the folder where you saved the indicator. Click once on the .zip file to highlight it, then click Open. Make sure you select the original .zip from the developer and not an unzipped folder or a different archive. The import will begin immediately. At this point, confirm installation. NinjaTrader will display a warning about potential performance impacts and the risks of importing third-party code. Read the prompt, and when you're ready to proceed, click Yes. This confirmation is normal. It simply reminds you that custom indicators can affect platform behavior and that you should only install items from trusted sources. After you confirm, NinjaTrader will process the package. You may see a brief compiling message while the platform integrates the new files. Don't click away or interrupt this step, let it finish. Once that's done, watch for the success message. When you see confirmation that the import completed successfully, the files have been added and compiled. Now restart NinjaTrader. It's highly recommended to do this so the new indicator is fully registered. Click OK to close the success message, then close NinjaTrader from the control center and relaunch it. A clean restart helps ensure the platform loads the indicator correctly and avoids any partial registration issues. After the restart, your third-party indicator is installed and ready for use in your charts and workspaces. To recap the on-screen flow, you'll see you started with the original .zip file, opened NinjaTrader with the control center visible, used Tools, Import, NinjaScript Add-on, selected the .zip, confirmed the warning, saw the success message, and finally restarted the platform. Following these steps exactly avoids common import problems like missing files, unrecognized indicators, or compilation errors caused by unzipped or modified packages. If the file you select is not a .zip or has been extracted, cancel and go back to the original compressed download. If you saved multiple versions, choose the most recent .zip from the developer. During the warning prompt, remember that clicking Yes is required to proceed. If you click No, the import will be canceled and the indicator will not be installed. And if NinjaTrader asks you to restart after a successful import, go ahead and restart right away. That ensures the indicator registers cleanly across all modules. At this point, the installation is complete. Your NinjaTrader third-party indicator is successfully imported as a NinjaScript add-on and will be fully available after the restart. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.